Namaste, it's Dr. Jessie at the Healing Collective, and during this time of increased stress and anxiety globally, I'd like to share a practice in yoga that can really help in the moment you come back to center and get out of a high anxiety state. So let's begin. From wherever you are, whether you're seated on the floor, cross-legged, or if you're on a chair with your feet flat on the floor, find a tall spine, grow long through the crown of the head, and soften your shoulders down and away from your ears. Sometimes closing the eyes helps you to focus your attention on the physical body and on the internal body. So if that's comfortable for you, you might allow the eyelids to shut. And begin to become aware of your breathing. Notice where in the body you're sending your breath. Notice where in the body you're not sending your breath. Notice where the breath travels to with ease. And where feels restricted or dense. And just noticing without judging or trying to change it, simply taking these moments to just become aware. You might choose to place a hand on the belly and a hand on the chest, just to feel how the body moves with your breath. And we'll move into a practice that helps to calm the nervous system. So as you are aware of the rhythm of your breathing, see if you can begin to invite the exhale to last just a little bit longer than your inhale. And doing this gently, doing this in a way that doesn't create any additional tension or constriction. And you don't have to do it all at once, so just beginning with each breath to see if you can't invite that exhale to last just a little bit longer. Allow the inhale to come naturally and invite the exhale to be longer and slower and smoother. Observe the inhale come naturally and elongate and smooth the exhale. If your attention wanders, just gently draw it back to the breath and see how interested you can become in your internal rhythm of the breath. And some people find it useful to count the beats of the breath. So perhaps the in-breath lasts for 4 beats, and the out-breath lasts for 5. And without over-efforting, just inviting, allowing the exhales to get a little bit longer each time. inviting, without over-efforting, more of your breath to happen down in the diaphragm, in the abdominal contents. As you inhale, feeling the belly expand. As you exhale, feeling everything soften. Navel toward spine. Inhale, inviting the breath all the way down into your pelvis. See if you can feel a sense of the pelvic floor muscles relaxing and expanding when you breathe in. And a gentle drawing in toward center as you breathe out. Inhale gently, naturally. Exhale, longer, slower, smoother. You can gently release your control of the breath and come back to your natural rhythm. And just observe if that natural rhythm has shifted at all since the start of our practice. I wish you peace and serenity and a sense of balance in being centered. And I hope that you know that you always have the breath to turn to help dial down your stress response and improve and increase your parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and digest response. And you know that if you ever need some practice, you can always come back to this video and join me in practice again. Be well. Namaste.